Hello students and aspirants. In this video I will teach you rule number 20. In the rule number 20 is about relative pronoun who and whom. Who and whom are relative pronouns. And to note that who is subjective case pronoun. Whom is objective case pronoun. See this example. Here I will teaching you the best technique. She, subject. She met the student who scored first rank. She is subject. Met, verb. Same as scored, verb. To identify how many subjects and how many verbs are present in a sentence. In the sentence, there is one subject and two verbs are present. We should balance both subject and verb equally. Here we need one subject for balancing the both subject and verb in a sentence. We need subject. So here we use who. Subjective case pronoun here. She met the student who scored first rank. See the next example. She met the student whom they talked to. She, subject, met, verb. They, subject, talked, verb. In the sentence there is two subject and two verb. Here, when the subject and verb are equal in a sentence, to choose whom. Objective case pronoun whom. Objective case pronoun whom for the sentence. See the next example. Jyoti is a girl who got the job. Jyoti, subject. Jyoti, subject is verb. Got, verb. We need subject here. So we put subjective case pronoun who here. See the next example. Jack is the man whom I went fishing with last spring. Jack, subject, is, verb. I, subject, went, verb. Here we need objective case pronoun because in the sentence both subject and verb counts are equal. So we choose objective case pronoun here, whom. WHOM, whom. See the next example. She, subject, is, verb. I, subject, think, verb. Again is, verb. In the sentence there is two subject and three verb. We need one subject for equal the subject and verb count. So here we using who. Subjective case pronoun who. She is one of the professors who I think is a mathematician. See the next example. He is the man whom everyone admires. He, subject, is, verb. Everyone, subject, admires, verb. We need objective case pronoun here. Here both subject and verb counts are equal. So we need objective case pronoun whom. So we put whom here. From rule number 20, I believe student you learn where to put relative pronoun who or whom. In the next video, I will teach you the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.